In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add search bar on Google sites. By the end, you'll have a clean, functional search box embedded right on your page. Base. Using a simple code snippet and Google Sites built-in embed tool. Start by opening Google Sites and signing in if you're not already. On the landing page, head to the recent section so you can quickly find the site you want to edit. Click your site to open the editor. Give it a second to load the page canvas and the right side insert panel. Next, open a new browser tab to access the search bar code provided for this tutorial. You'll see a short snippet of code. Select all of it and copy it to your clipboard. A quick tip here, only use code you trust. If you're working in a managed workspace, make sure your organization allows embedding custom code. Return to your Google Sites tab. On the right, click Insert to reveal all the content options, then choose Embed. In the Embed dialog, switch to the Embed Code tab. Click inside the code box and paste the search bar code you copied. If the dialog prompts you again or shows multiple code boxes, simply paste the same code where required. Now click Next. You should see a preview of the embedded search box. This is a good moment to confirm it looks correct and that no errors appear. When the preview looks good, click Insert to place it onto your page. Once the search box is on the canvas, you can resize it by dragging the blue handles at the edges. Aim for a width that aligns nicely with your page layout. Too narrow can truncate the field, while too wide can push other content out of balance. If your page uses sections, consider centering the search bar within its section so it feels intentional and easy to spot. A few practical tips. Keep the search bar near the top of the page where visitors expect it, and leave a bit of spacing above and below so it doesn't feel cramped. If your site uses a dark background, make sure the search box contrasts well for readability. Also, some themes may slightly adjust how embedded elements render. If anything looks off in the preview, try a modest resize and check again. That's it. Open your site, copy the code in a new tab, embed it as code, confirm the preview, insert, and resize to fit your design. You now have a working search bar